This morning, decided to teach or give a tutorial about the prayer that changes weather. The prayer that changes the weather. So, meron pong panalangin, powerful prayer, na tinuturo sa Bible. This is a powerful prayer. It has power to change the weather. It is a powerful prayer that can bring the rain, and it is also a powerful prayer that can stop the rain. Wow! Makapangyarihang panalangin. Panalangin na may kapangyarihan na magpatigil ng ulan, at kung kinakailangan natin ng ulan, magpaulan. So, yan po ang ating pag-aaralan. Yan ang ating tatalakayin sa umaga ito in our prayer meeting this Friday in our virtual online prayer school. I entitled it The Prayer That Changes the Weather. Wow! Ang panalangin na may kapangyarihan na magbago ng ating weather. Magpatigil ng ulan o magdala ng ulan o kinakailangan natin ng ulan. Napakagandang topic po nito, ano? Swak na swak. Ika nga, tamang-tama. Relevant. As we see a lot of raining, a lot of flooding all over our beloved country. So, as I prayed, as I meditate, I think the Lord gave me this powerful message. Powerful tutorial, relevant, time